Designing marketing programs to build brand equity. A marketing program should be designed to build brand equity by creating awareness of your business through advertising, public relations, social media, events, etc. The goal of any marketing program is to increase sales and profits. To achieve this, you must first understand who your target market is and then design a marketing strategy that will reach them. This includes understanding your product/service offering, identifying your target market, determining your budget, and choosing the right channels to reach your customers. With these considerations in mind, let's look at 3 ways you can design an effective marketing program to build brand equity. Understand your product offerings and target market. The first step in designing a marketing program is to identify your product offer and the target market you'll be focusing on. When setting goals for your marketing efforts, think about whether you want to focus on broad categories, for example, food, or specific product lines within those categories, for example sandwiches. Next, determine what attributes your business offers and which ones you wish to emphasize. Then consider the characteristics of your target market, including demographics, psychographics, and behavioral factors, how your target market behaves online. Finally, decide what type of marketing programs you'll use to promote your business and how often you plan to use each one. Identify your target market. You must first know who your target market is before you can design and execute an effective marketing program. Who do you want your business to serve? What products or services do they need? When you answer these questions, you'll learn what elements of your product or service you need to highlight to attract their attention. Determine your budget. Once you've identified your target market, it's time to set your marketing budget. Although there are many ways to figure out your marketing budget, we recommend starting with the following formula: 1.5% of total revenue x number of employees annual marketing budget estimated monthly cost. The reason for using 1.5% as opposed to a higher amount such as 2% is that most businesses end up spending less than 1.5% due to unforeseen expenses. Choose channels that will help you reach your audience. Now that you have determined your target market and set your budget, it's time to choose which marketing channels you'll use to get your message into the hands of your audience. To maximize your return on investment, you'll want to select marketing channels that best match your target market and align with your overall marketing objectives. Here are some good examples of marketing channels that you may consider employing. Print media, newspapers, magazines, flyers, brochures, catalogs, etc. Radio, local, regional, national, satellite radio. TV/cable, network television, cable television, local television. Websites, business websites, e-newsletters, social media, blogs. Outbound marketing, direct mail, telemarketing, direct response advertising, event invitations, coupons, sweepstakes and contests. Inbound marketing, search engine optimization, content marketing, pay-per-click advertising, video marketing, email campaigns, online ads, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, review sites, social media. Design and implement a marketing plan. After you've developed your marketing plan, it's now time to develop a game plan and implement your strategy. Remember that your marketing plan should include measurable results and milestones so you can track your progress over time. For example, if you're planning to launch a new website, you might measure its success by tracking traffic to see if people are visiting your site regularly. Once your marketing plan has been implemented, monitor and evaluate your performance to ensure that you're meeting your goals. Measure results. Now that you've designed and executed your marketing campaign, it's time to act. Make sure that you evaluate your results. How did your marketing campaign perform? Which channel was most effective at getting your message across? Were there any surprises along the way? And lastly, what would you change next time around? With this information, you can improve your marketing effectiveness moving forward. Repeat. Marketing doesn't stop once your initial marketing efforts are complete. It's just like riding a bike, you need to practice, or else you won't become proficient. If your goal remains the same, i.e., increase sales, you will continue to grow. Whether you're running an ad campaign, conducting a paid search, generating leads through SEO, or launching a new product, you must continually work towards improving your marketing skills. This ensures that, no matter what happens, your business will always be prepared to take advantage of opportunities and compete against new threats.